Now talking about deep feed-forwarded networks. So the deep feed-forwarded networks are also called as feed-forward neural network as well as multi-layer perceptrons, that is nothing but MLP, which are the quintessential deep learning models. Actually, these are the models which contains three layers, that is input layer, output layer and hidden layer, and all that are connected to each other. That means neurons are connected to each other by these three layers. So the goal of the feed forward network is to approximate some function f. So basically we are using classifier and then we are doing the mapping so that we can learn the value of the parameters so that it will be helpful for us for the best function approximation. So in simple terms, the network can be defined as we can see in the given diagram, that it is collection of input, hidden and output nodes with data coming in from input nodes. Then the processing is done in the hidden nodes. We can see over here. It is data is coming over here, processing is done over here, and then output is processed through the output layer. So the information flows through the function being evaluated through the intermediate computations used to define f, and finally to the output y. So there are no feedback connections in which outputs of the models are fed back into itself, and hence the model is called as the feed forward network. Means you can see over here in the given example, the input data is coming from input layer. Now when the input data is coming from input layer, the processing is done on that data. Now the processing is done on that data in the hidden layer. After processing is done, the output is produced through the output layer nodes. So the information flow is how going on. So the information flows through the function, and that function is evaluated from x. That function is evaluated from x through the intermediate computations so that we can define the function f. And finally to the output y. So there are no feedback connections in which the outputs of the model are feedback into itself, and that's why they are called as feed forward network, because whatever output we are getting, we are not sending that output as input to any particular layer, and that's why these models are called as feed forward models or feed forward networks. So this is all about the deep feed forwarded networks. In our next section, we will see the details of convolution neural network. Thank you.